AAP stock next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Advanced my auto parts stock sitting at $49 right now. And I'm going to be just straight up with you. This is not really a buy. Not really a buy. If I look at it, the weekly chart. End of week performance was also bad. I'm around 21% down. But, you know, I have a line pointing towards the downside here. Just the trend's been bearish. It's not just me doubling down like saying this is going to zero. No, we're just doubling down on the current price. And what is the likelihood that we clear out the lows next? I mean, through the roof. So yeah, that's the only way that I'm looking at the price for right now and not forever, as you can see. I mean, it doesn't really change anything unless the price really gives a clean, like maybe double break here, and then I'm able to take it lower. But anything else other than that, just noise. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars. And I'm not going to sit here and try and add more into this. You know, I'm just trying to keep it simple. See you in the next one.